Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at the Forex market wrap, see what the strongest currencies were of this week and see what's moved. So first of all we're going to start off with the US dollar. Dollar's had a little bit of a mixed week. We've had a bit of a pullback earlier at the start of the week after price came back down into this supporting area around about $92, reacted. We saw the market start to move back towards the previous structure lows, and what we were really interested in was price coming back into this structure area here, finding some resistance and wondering whether this would be a lower high. We have started to see that rejection now. A lot of the major currency pairs looking like they're shifting trends as well. So what we want to see from the US dollar is a continuation of this downside, and if we can breach this $92 level or 91.80 and get below that, we should see some further downside out of the US dollar. However, there is a little bit of support in the way. We do have another support area down at 92.30. This has been formed by this previous double, or I should say inverse head and shoulders pattern just through here. So price is coming towards the neckline of that area. If it rejects here, then we might need to wait a little bit to see if we get below that for some further downside to the US dollar. Because that dollar has weakened, we've started to see some impulse phases starting to form on some of the major currencies. If we actually look at Kiwi strength looking like it can continue here now. We've retested this previous structure area, so now we're starting to see buyers re-enter the market. Are we going to see this move aggressively again higher like we did previously? If we were to see something like that, then we could see a move all the way back up into sort of this 72.93 area, or 7300 would be the sort of whole number to look at in and around this area here, this previous structure. So we could start seeing that, especially if we go down to the 4-hour time frame. You can see price has changed trend now, and what we look for when price goes into that impulse phase, we look for that higher high, higher low pattern, and we look to buy on those pullbacks. Now we're starting to see that again. We've just broken out of this area, so what we could anticipate is a pullback into structure and a continuation of this trend going forward. Moving on to Aussie Yen, so this was one to watch going into this week. We like the opportunity to trade the retracement phase as well as the potential impulse phase forming. We can see here nice rejection of the previous structures. We were anticipating this pullback because of the monthly time frame. Basically the monthly broke out of the previous month's high. We're in an uptrend. We're looking for that impulse phase to begin, so we should start to see higher highs, higher lows on the daily time frame. Is this now going to be the higher low potentially forming on Aussie Yen? Now if we were to take out these highs, then we definitely have that sort of higher high, higher low pattern. At the moment we only have kind of one down here. This could be the second. Again, what could give that away is this 4-hour time frame. If price does break and retest this area here, we could see some further upside as well. So keep an eye on Aussie Yen, could continue to the upside here. Lastly then, Euro Aussie was something we looked at. We said that we could see some further downside on this market. We were looking for the potential for this to be a lower high if it pulled back. We started to see some bearish candlesticks. I think that we can start seeing some downside here now, and if we take out these lows around about 159, we should start to see lower lows and lower highs continue from this now. So I hope you enjoyed the content this week. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex content, and I'll speak to you next week.